Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Amino app. This is Amino app. Like it's just like sweatcoin. I don't know, some of you actually mine sweatcoin. Like you just have it in your phone. If you are working, then the thing will be counting your step. So I'm going to sign up now. So I'm going to create an account because I don't have an account. Say create an account. So I'm going to post this video and input my details. So guys, after inputting your details, you will click sign up, then it will say success. You see verification email sent. A verification email has been sent to my email, yeah. So you say click on the link in the email to verify your account. So I'm going to verify my account now. Let's go to my email. So here is the mail they sent me. Say hello, follow this link to verify your email address. If you did not ask to verify the address, you can ignore this email. So I'm going to verify my email address now. So your email has been verified. Then let's go back to the app now. This is this is what the app looks like now. You see daily check-in. So we have daily check-in. So invite friends, get 100 amino. Guys, this is a token, so you better take it serious. Sweatcoin was listed last year, I think, yeah, and people actually cashed out from it. So don't sleep on this. All you have to do is to be checking in daily, and you'll be claiming this token. You understand? So let's click on this daily check-in now. So if you are working, it will also be counting your stay. Say congratulations, you received 5 amino for checking in. I said okay. So if I'm going out now, the thing will be my step will be counting and it will be added to my list. Do you understand? It's somehow like an health app. So let's just navigate through the app. So maintain a streak for 5 days and times 2 amino. So you refer your friends, you understand? So I've now stepped out today. You can see below here now. If you look below here, you will see some wait we see some. So let's go to profile. If we go to profile, you see username and avatar, dark mode. You understand? That is just for your settings. Then if we go back here now, if we click on there, yes, you say pick your challenge. Completing higher difficulty earns you extra reward. Chill, fit, pro, 20. Take it easy. Run one mile in 15 minutes for 5 minutes. This is a health app, guys. So you have to take it serious, so guys. So here is it, like leaderboard. These are the people that are actually, you can actually see it. People have registered and they are actually earning. So like if you are moving out now, your phone is in your pocket, you are actually automatically you are mining. But once you register with my referral link now, you are going to earn 100 amino token, guys. So that is just it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell, guys. Please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up so that others can also benefit from this. So here is where to copy your referral link. You understand? You say invite friends, get 100 amino, guys. You can see that if you click here. Okay, this is not. Wait, let me see. Where to copy your referral link now. Wait, I'm coming. So I'm going to drop my referral link under the comment section of this video. You understand? So okay, you said wallet connect coming soon. I'm looking for where to copy our referral link. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is where to copy your referral link now. Do you see where I actually clicked? You click on get invite friends. This is where to get your referral link. So I'm going to drop my referral link under the comment section of this video. Please subscribe, turn on the post notification bell to always get notified whenever I upload a new video. So I'm going to click copy now. It said link copy to clipboard. So guys, my referral link will be under the comment section of this video, understand? So that will be all for now. Please subscribe so that others, and give this video a thumbs up so that others can also benefit from this. So that will be all for now. Thanks for watching. So if this is your first time of seeing my video here in this channel, we talk about how to make money online without spending a dollar through cryptocurrency. So you can go through my channel. There are some other videos that I've already they are there that you will benefit from. So that will be all for now. See you soon.